everyone, wherever you are. Thank you for watching the vids. So plenty more random videos coming up. Like I say, if you don't like them, don't watch them. I'm not doing it for points or make a living out of this. Don't bother me. Little man's finally asleep. Been nursery, chilling. A little sleep on the couch before I take him up to bed. Yeah, Liverpool played absolutely crap today. We really need to sort out our back defence because we're absolutely rubbish. And hopefully we'll get some new players and we can fight. But our first game, I think, is on the 13th, and that's against Chelsea. Like I say, random videos come on, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Like, just see what happens. But it's just around the area and my life, my child's life, partner's life. But anyway, have a good one, and speak to you later. Peace out. All the best. Bye.